You can make $300,000 in just 30 days, all while traveling the world and barely working. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to build semi-passive income streams that keep paying you long after the work is done. Step 1. Understand semi-passive income. Whenever people hear about my success, they always ask how I managed it. The goal of this video is to explain exactly that. I'll be covering 3 passive income sources that you can use to potentially earn money online. By the word passive, I mean you only make the effort once and continue to earn from it over time. Now, let us go to the 3 sources of passive income. Passive income source number 1, digital products. But not in the way you might expect. If you execute this passive income strategy properly, it can become a significant source of revenue. In fact, this approach alone has contributed to over $200,000 of my earnings in the past month, which is why I'm sharing it with you first. However, to achieve this, there's an important step you need to take. Skill acquisition. You must develop a valuable skill that others are interested in learning. So, how can you effectively acquire these skills? A great place to start is a website called Skillshare. I'm a strong believer in online education, and Skillshare offers a vast library of courses across almost every imaginable niche. Whether it's health, wealth, relationships, online marketing, travel, or technology, you can learn skills that address common problems people face. For instance, a trending area right now is artificial intelligence, AI. You could help companies create ads or logos using AI, or even assist with generating YouTube thumbnails. That's why I've been exploring a class on Skillshare called the Midjourney Masterclass, which teaches how to use the AI tool Midjourney to create impressive AI art. These same AI art techniques can be applied to creating YouTube thumbnails, which is why I'm particularly interested. So, let's say you complete courses like this on Skillshare, master AI tools, and learn the necessary prompts. You now have a highly valuable skill that you can use in several ways to generate income, and I'll show you how to potentially monetize it. If you're looking to acquire new skills, I highly recommend Skillshare. Once you've gained a skill, the next step to potentially earning passive income is to start by applying it in a non-passive way. You might be thinking, why go the non-passive route when I want passive income? Trust me, this is part of the process and you'll thank yourself later. Initially, you'll offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, using your new skill at a low price point. While you won't make much money up front, this phase is essential for building credibility. For example, you could start by creating AI-generated YouTube thumbnails or company logos, applying the skills you learned on Skillshare. Over time, you'll gather customer testimonials, which will enhance your credibility. The real key to earning substantial income lies in eventually transitioning to selling digital products. This is where semi-passive income comes in. You do the work once and continue to profit over time. For example, after acquiring skills and experience, you could create a digital guide, compiling the best Midjourney prompts, organize it in a Google document, and sell it on platforms like Gumroad.com. Each time someone buys your Midjourney prompts from Gumroad, you've earned money without any additional work. You only had to create the guide once, and from there, you can keep making sales without trading your time for money. Over time, this income stream becomes more passive, and your earnings grow. You could also consider creating online courses or selling Excel databases. The opportunities are virtually limitless. Now that you've established a passive income stream from selling digital guides, you might wonder how to attract more attention to it. The more visibility your product gets, the more sales you'll generate. This leads us to the next passive income source. Passive income source number 2. YouTube. Unlike what many might think, you can run a successful YouTube channel without ever appearing on camera or becoming an influencer. Instead, you can create simple slideshows using tools like Google Slides and leverage AI tools such as TubeMagic to generate scripts, come up with video ideas, and optimize your content. OBS can be used to record your screen. For example, if you started a channel about topics like growing on YouTube or creating YouTube thumbnails, you can fill it with useful videos based on the skills you have gained along the way. Even with a small audience, you can still earn substantial income. One of my students, with fewer than 3,000 subscribers, was able to generate over $100,000 annually from his channel. His content consisted mostly of slideshows created with Google Slides and screen recordings done via OBS. Additionally, you're not restricted to long-form videos. You can expand by creating YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, and Instagram Reels to further diversify your content. Tools like Opus Clip Pro can help by breaking down long videos into shorter, shareable clips, allowing AI to handle most of the heavy lifting. YouTube is also a great source of passive income. Over my decade-long experience, I've consistently made money from videos I uploaded years ago. Plus, YouTube offers ad revenue opportunities, adding another layer of income from the platform itself. Passive income source number 3. Affiliate marketing. This method is the simplest because you don't need to create a product or manage additional YouTube channels. Instead, you can partner with software that supports what you're teaching, such as running YouTube channels. By referring people to a platform like TubeMagic, you can earn recurring income each time someone signs up through your link. For instance, if 1,000 people sign up to TubeMagic, you could earn an extra $220,000 per month, and the best part is, it's a recurring income every month. This adds another stream of passive income to your existing ones. With these 3 income streams in place, you're set. As you start making money, you might wonder, what should I do with it? First, reinvest in your business by purchasing more education or ads. Then, consider putting extra funds into high-yield savings accounts to grow your earnings further. You can also invest in ETFs for long-term financial growth. So far, you have learned that I've managed to generate over $300,000 in just 30 days through semi-passive income, streams like digital products, YouTube channels, and affiliate marketing. By acquiring valuable skills, starting small with freelancing, and using platforms like Skillshare, Gumroad, and YouTube, you can create sustainable income that continues to pay long after the work is done. Combine these methods, plug in affiliate partnerships, and reinvest your earnings wisely to grow even more. Before we end today's discussion, I want to hear from you. What's one skill you're eager to learn to start your own passive income journey? If it's mastering a new technology, going into digital product creation, or exploring ways to optimize your YouTube channel, I'd love to know your thoughts. Share your answers in the comments below, and let's spark a conversation. If you found this video insightful and packed with valuable information, please take a moment to hit that like button. Your support helps us reach more people who are looking to enhance their financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll always be updated with our latest content and strategies designed to boost your earnings. This is Profitability Plus, where we empower you to achieve financial success. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.